Here's the swivel base to the Arbor press. So far, what I did is I chucked it up in a lathe. I actually chucked on this side first, faced this side off, turned the OD back as far as I could, flipped it around, faced off the second side, and then cleaned up the OD on that. What I mainly wanted to do, and the reason why I went to the lathe first before doing any sort of derusting on it, is I just wanted to make sure both sides of it were completely flat and they were both parallel to one another. Whether I should have done it before derusting it or afterwards, I guess I'm going to find out. As you can see, still in the cavities down here and the loopholes, it's still all rusted up. So what I'm going to try with this particular piece is rust removal by electrolysis. I got a little tank over here right now. There's the tank. There's the waste metal. It was just pieces of, some of it was rebar, some of it was stakes from doing a foundation. They're all welded up together, and then the 4 pieces are just sitting in there individually. I'm going to get this all ready. The first stage I'm going to do is dump in hot water into there. Then I'll do the baking or washing soap right there. Dunk it in there, turn it on, and see what happens. And here we go. The part is in there, the base is in there. It's strung up with some grounding wire right there. Getting ready to plug in the charger. The charger's set at 6 volts, 2 amps. The lowest possible setting as we can do it. And I'm going to get ready to plug it in. Plugging it in now. Alright. Nothing's on fire. It's reading around 3 amps. There's 3.5 amps. Peek down here. See some movement. Not sure if that's from the water settling, because I just got done filling it up. See what happens. Right now it's at 340. Check back in a few hours and see how it's going. Alright, here's the electrolysis bath. It's been sitting for about 2.5 hours. You can see here some of the slight bubbles. More so, I believe that is just the salt within the washing soap moving around. I just checked the battery charger. That's still sitting at 3 amps. I'm going to unplug the battery charger right now and dip into this thing and see what's going on. Alright, battery charger's undone. Unhook both the leads and see what we got here. Does seem to be turning some of the rust black. Let me bring this up on the table and reposition stuff. You see some of the rust here is already starting to turn black some. Whoops. I forget what that chemical reaction is or what that is right there, but it is the rust being removed and converted. You see down through here. Well, it does seem to be doing something. I'm going to scrape this up a little bit with a wire brush and toss it right back in there. Here I hooked everything back up for a second take. Just jumped up the voltage to 12 volts and the amperage up to 6 amps. I'm just going to let it sit at that for a little while just to see what's going to happen. I'm going to knock it down. In a little while I'm going to be heading to bed, so I'm going to knock it all back down. If not, maybe I might even unplug it. Being it's the first time around, I'm a little bit nervous here. I'm going to give a shot at plugging the charger in right now. Okay, charger's plugged in. It's at 12 volts, set at 6 amps, and it's right around, the meter's right around 5 amps. You can see a little bit of activity going on there. Alrighty, I'm gonna call it quits for now.